girl. Told the devil my own soul. I'm a superficial girl, and I can't let go. In my land of fairy tales, you were an angel. Eyes so pure and kind, like a lullaby. Play me like a monster, no, you were a stranger. Your voice stuck in my head like a lullaby. God, don't judge me when I'm sipping from my chin, confessing all my sins. Maybe I was born sick. I'm not good at goodbyes, but I'm good at hurt you right. 'Cause I'm